Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said on the farewell Hajj that your wealth, Muslims upon a Muslim, your reputation and your blood, meaning your physical safety, is haram upon one another, similarly to the prohibition of this date in this month in this sacred land. So taking the wealth of a Muslim brother, whether a spouse, a partner, a citizen even, through haram taxes or haram expenses that nobody gave you the right to do this. It's my hard-earned money. This is totally haram. So if you can find someone like that, very good. If not, look around and you will find women who just want a Muslim man providing for them, giving them a roof on their head, food on the table, and respecting them as Muslim women and honoring them. Getting married according to the French laws when they don't have a prenup. If you have a prenup and they sign, so after divorce, they have no right in acquiring half of what you earn or a huge sum of money, that's fine. If they insist, then such women are not real Muslims, because they want other than the law of Allah, other than the Sharia. And this law, whether in France or in America or in Europe, is unjust and unfair. I do hundreds of counseling sessions, and I've seen women taking millions of their husband's wealth unlawfully. And I've seen men getting even because they have no jobs and their wives are successful and earning and have a house. I've seen men going for divorce and taking half of what the woman has. By what right?